Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send multiple videos to your channel on the Telegram app for PC using the new update. This process is simple, quick, and allows you to share lots of content with your audience all at once. First, open the Telegram app on your PC and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the channel where you want to upload your videos. It's important to be on the correct channel, so make sure you select the right one before moving forward. Next, look for the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip. It's usually located near the message input area of your channel's interface. Click on this icon, and a menu will pop up with several options. From these options, choose Photos and Videos. This will open the File Explorer on your PC, allowing you to browse through your video files. Now, select all the videos you want to send. You can do this by holding down the Control key CMD key on Mac and clicking on each video file you want. Once you've selected everything, click Open. This action adds the videos to your message field. Finally, all that's left is to click the Send button. Telegram will upload the videos to your channel one after another, sharing them seamlessly with your subscribers. And that's it. You've successfully sent multiple videos to your Telegram channel on PC using the new update. This feature is a real time saver, making it easier than ever to share your content in bulk without any hassle. Enjoy connecting with your audience and keep sharing those videos effortlessly.